Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making strawberry cheesecake cookies, and I love cheesecake and cookies, so I thought this was a really good idea, and also because it is almost spring, so I feel like it's pretty nice to use strawberries. I haven't had time to film like full-length videos. I've just been doing like shorts and stuff because of how busy I've been with my senior year of school. There's a lot of, stuff coming up and whatnot, but I'm hoping once it's summer and I start college, I'll have more time to film and definitely get back to streaming. But yeah, so first I'm going to start with the dough because I have to let that chill. And in this bowl, I have my all-purpose flour and my cake flour. And then in here, I have baking powder, cornstarch, salt, and ground cinnamon. So I'm just going to combine these two together. So now on my stand mixer, I'm going to mix together my butter, which is slightly cold, my brown sugar, and my granulated sugar. So now this is what my dough looks like now, and first I add in my whole egg, and then I'm gonna mix this together first. And now I'm going to add in my egg yolk and my vanilla extract. Now the last step to finish my dough is to slowly add in my dry ingredients. Here is my final dough, and it smells pretty good, and it said on the recipe to make sure not to overmix it or anything. So right now it's pretty sticky, but I'm going to chill this in the fridge for a couple hours, and then I'll take it out. While my cookie dough is chilling, I'm going to start on my cream cheese filling, or the cheesecake filling. So in my smaller mixing bowl, I'm going to add in all my cream cheese, and then cream this all together. Now that it's all nice and creamed together, and Willow wants some of it, because with the strawberries I was actually going to make her own little cheesecake, which, I mean, we aren't going to use all of them, so I'll be able to make her own, which will probably be like a little short, but anyway, she loves to have cream cheese. And now I'm adding in my granulated sugar, and now I'm also going to cream this together. The last step for my filling is to add in my egg yolk and mix all of that together. Here is my cheesecake filling, and I'm just gonna chill this in the fridge before I put it in my piping bag. And then I'm going to work on my last component, which is the strawberry compote. Now for the final component, which is the strawberry compote. I have my pan over here, and I'm just going to combine everything together. So all my strawberries, and like I said, I didn't use like the full pound, that's what it says on the recipe, because I wanted to save some for Willow. My sugar and my water. Now just mixing all of this together, and pretty much just gonna leave this on here, then let it get it to a simmer. Let that simmer, it says, for about 8 to 10 minutes. Here is my finished strawberry compote, and it turned out pretty good. It smells really good as well. And so now I'm just gonna let everything cool off, and then I'll start baking the cookies. I started to roll out some of the little dough balls and then making a little well in the middle for my fillings. But let me show you how I did it. So I have this in my little ice cream scoop. And the dough's like pretty hard, so it takes a little bit. And then I'll place it down on my cookie sheet. And then make a little well in the middle. Now I'm going to start filling the middle of my cookies with my filling. So first I have the cream cheese filling. I'm just going to do a little bit because I won't be able to fit too much. I want to be able to have room for the strawberry as well. And then I have my compote here. I'm just going to put some on there on top. And it's okay if it spills over a little bit. I'm sure it'll still be delicious. Okay, so now I am going to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. So now they're done baking. I've actually had them like chilling in the fridge a little bit and they look really good. So now I'm going to try one. So the cookie ended up being really good, and I just thought about how some of them, they kind of look like eyeballs when you think about it. So I feel like maybe even Halloween, because some of them, they look like little eyes. But yeah, it's kind of cool. But yeah, it tastes really good, and even just the cookie by itself without the filling, because like my first bite I didn't get the filling with it, but even just the cookie itself was really good. And like I said before, I love cheesecake. I do wish I was able to like have more filling in the middle, like if it wasn't so hard to flatten out, but I do have extra anyway, so if I wanted to put some on top I could. But yeah, I will definitely make these again. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.